Gaming is more rigorous nowadays and you need to get yourself a gaming desk that can handle your gaming requirements. The more room we have, the easier it is to locate everything we need, keep the clutter down and focus on gaming. Finding the right gaming desk for your platform can be just the thing to step up the quality of your gameplay. And to help you get started, here are our selection of the top 5 best gaming desks that can help you to take your gaming experience to the next level. Our premium desk for digital entertainment is a difficult thing to quantify, but it looks as though the Walker Edison Sereno 3-piece corner desk manages this by combining high-quality materials with expert craftsmanship as well as good pricing. There is an allocated compartment in the bottom center to place your gaming tower. The X-legs give the desk a suspended look. Bevel tempered safety glass, black powder-coated steel frame, and the sleek black finish makes the Edison an overall quite aesthetically pleasing desk. This tempered glass gaming computer desk features 2 rectangular-shaped 21 inches desktops and 1 desktop shaped like a quarter circle. This desk configuration can be personalized to your liking. The keyboard tray can optionally be mounted on either end. Also, you can remove the centerpiece and turn this L desk into 2 standard size desks. Overall, this desk offers virtually anything you would look for in the best computer gaming desk. Thanks to the sturdy design and ideal material, as you can expect a good experience while gaming. If you're looking for a great all-round gaming desk, check out the Apex Desk Elite series. It's a motorized standing desk that is sturdily built and designed to hold up to 225 pounds. It's also 60 inches wide, making it big enough to hold up to 3 gaming monitors for flight simulators or racing games on top. Take care of your body with the big, solid electric height adjustable desk from Apex Desk, which has a fast speed adjustability of 1.5 inch per second. This quick and quiet dual motor lift system allows the desk to move anywhere between 29 inch to 48 inches, and the control panel offers 4 custom presets and an up and down button for smooth raising and lowering. The weight of the desk is quite heavy and is sure to provide a very stable and sturdy work area for anyone who is concerned about their current gaming desk. If you are looking for a desk that perfectly blends in with any workspace, this is a great product for you to choose from. A good gaming desk must have multifunctional features. Gamers require space, capacity, good cable management, and looks. And the Vitesse 55-inch gaming desk promises most of these features. The Vitesse gaming desk is able to support multiple monitors with ease, and the T-shaped design means that the desk is completely stable even during the most intense gaming sessions. It's made of high-quality coated steel and PVC-coated premium density filter board, making it durable and not a hassle to clean. This gaming desk comes with USB gaming handle rack, cup holder, headphone hook, as well as a free mouse pad. In addition, the large version of the desk measures 55 by 24 inches, which is more than enough space for 2 monitors and some gaming gadgetry. The gaming rack for controllers and games also has 4 easy-to-access USB ports built into it, which is great for keeping cables organized and all of your devices charged. If you're looking for a no-frills gaming desk that still has many of the conveniences you would expect, the Atlantic gaming desk is made with gamers in mind. With a sleek charcoal-colored carbon fiber lamination on top and a lot more exciting features as well. Atlantic packs a lot of functionality into the desk. It comes with 2 speaker trays for dual speaker setup, cable management, a drawer, an accessory tray, game shelving, a place to hang your headphones on the side, and a drink holder that is perfect for a cup of joe or any energy drink. It also has an under-desk basket, which is quite handy. You can use this additional space to keep any gear that does not find an area on the surface. It has an additional charging station for your tablet or smartphone. Besides the sleek and stylish look, the desk offers easy charging for your device right at your reach. This is a great desk with some of the best features that you could expect to see on any desk within this price. The Rosy Arena computer desk is designed for folks who are rocking multiple monitors, giving you plenty of space to run up to 3 panels, including an ultra-wide curved gaming monitor. Both eye-catching and paradoxically simple, the Rosy Arena gaming desk comes in a variety of color schemes that really makes it pop in any room. The desk measures over 5 feet long, which is perfect for a larger gaming setup. It also boasts a full-surface, custom and waterproof microfiber mousepad for maximum responsiveness. The patent-pending design is height adjustable, and the cable management feature is guaranteed to keep your space clean and clutter-free with load capacity of 176 pounds. The Rosy Arena gaming desk has a slightly curved front bevel. This allows you to move closer into the desk naturally. There is an excellent cable management system built into the Rosy Arena gaming desk. With 3 cutouts with the desk, you can easily slide cables through the desk and into a small cubby. Overall, you can count on this desk for all of your gaming needs, from keeping your equipment safe to comfort when using it, but the most significant thing about it is the cost.